I love entertaining at home.
Yeah.
And I say entertaining in the most informal sense of the word. And I love textiles and how accessories can make you feel. One little touch can kind of just put a smile on your face. I love working with partners that can see my brand and see my point of view through a different lens.
Sure.
And that's exciting to me. We have a lot of new partnerships that are launching soon, one including Food52.
So cool.
So yeah, so a lot's happening.
Hi, I'm Paul. Welcome back to That's Cool Who Made It. Today we are in Manhattan's Upper West Side visiting Sara Roberts of Goldie Home. We're gonna learn how to ice dye. We're also gonna learn how Sara built her amazing home business.
I think for me, color is a big thing. Like I love color and I love discovering new pairings of colors together. So that's part of why I love this so much, is because you just never know what colors are gonna come out.
Totally.
Hi, my name is Sara Roberts. I'm the founder and owner of Goldie Home. Goldie Home is a textiles brand. Table linens, pillows, all the prints are original art, and we produce in Portugal.
Why did you get into textiles?
I think a lot of different reasons. I think one is that like working in fashion for so long and always being interested in fashion, I was always around textiles and always thought my art and my aesthetic would transfer well to textiles.
Yeah.
I think I just wasn't sure what kind of textile that would be. Like would that be girls, kids clothing, or would that be wallpaper?
Right.
Or would that be something else? And I think a lot of it was finding joy in setting the table.
Sara, I want to learn how to ice dye.
Great.
I have no idea how to start, where to begin.
The very first step is you got to choose the fabric that you want to dye. You're going to get the best representation of what the colors are on a white surface. Really, what you do is you scrunch it, but you're scrunching it in a way that you're kind of trying to create this imperfect pattern. You want to do it with me?
Yeah. All right,
you're
so
just
lay it
gonna
flat.
Lay it flat, and you're just going to be like, you got it. Why am I doing it for you? You're scrunching. You're scrunching.
I can scrunch.
Kind of becomes meditative if you let it be.
This is
And now
bad.
you're so into scrunching, you feel like you own it.
I'm the king of scrunch.
Yeah. You put the ice on, it's kind of random. Like if you put it in here, get it in there. You're gonna get a little bit of a different effect than putting it on top of the fabric. I think it's kind of, there isn't a lot of wrongs. You have to keep doing it to find your own way of doing
Sure.
it. You know,
Yeah.
personalize it to you, the results that you like. So then we get to the fun part before the ice actually melts. You have this powder dye, pale aqua, which doesn't look like aqua blue at all,
No, it looks like corn.
but somehow that is going to result in aqua blue. And as a result, there's going to be these other colors that are going to come in that you would have never expected. And that's where I've been kind of mesmerized by the process, and that's why I decided to kind of use these colors and use these prints for linens, because it's unexpected.
For sure,
Yeah,
totally.
So we just need a little bit to, my instinct is to always do more, but you really don't want to do more. Can already see how cool the effect is, how it looks on ice. So pretty. It kind of looks like purple coming out.
Looks like purple. I think I might have the touch. I don't know.
I think you're onto something.
How did you get into this in the first place?
I don't even remember how I discovered ice dyeing. I think I looked at one video online just to understand what the process was in terms of how you needed to treat the fabric and all that. And then I just got addicted to it. And I started just dyeing everything I could find in the house. Like every white napkin, every white t-shirt of my kids, every sweatshirt. I just found it really cathartic and really kind of relaxing. And a lot of it comes from art, like artists that I've always been attracted to, or and paintings I've always responded to. I always find a way back there. I think that's kind of the ethos of Goldie Home, is that everything originates with original art.
Yeah.
You know, and that's kind of the idea of like anyone who cares, its idea is that you're sitting at the table with original art.
Well, Sara, thank you for letting us stop by. I appreciate it.
You're so welcome.
I want this apron sent to me.
I can't wait to get it washed and ready for you.
Okay, amazing. I appreciate hearing, one, that like you still find joy in this, and two, like the realistic take of like, I love it, but it's also really hard sometimes.
Yeah. Really hard. Yeah. And you hear this from every founder, but just believe in yourself. Like nothing else. Like the amount of belief I have in myself is kind of crazy. Because if you don't, no one is going to believe in you. And no one's going to believe in it. And it's simple, but really true. I love using my linens, and I love going to friends' homes when they use my linens. And I love when customers who I've never met before, when they send me pictures. Because again, I see the way they style it through their own point of view. And that's so cool.
And if you want to get any of Sarah's beautiful textiles. They are for sale on food52.com. And the link is down below. Like, comment, subscribe.